Hello my lovelies, this video is a collaboration with Inspired by Nikki. This is a quick before shot of what I'm starting with. Everything is a little bit messed up. Everything's thrown all over the place. Don't ask me what happened here. I'm not sure. I haven't been out here for a while, so just wanted to give you a quick tour and show you what I'm starting with. Guys, I'm really excited on getting this all cleaned up so that I can start my gardening. I do have a couple of things growing already in my backyard. Most of the trees are fruit trees, but I definitely want to get into the ground some of the lower vines and things like that, like cucumbers, cantaloupes, and tomatoes, and so on and so forth. I also have some flower seeds that I picked up in the Dollar Tree that I want to give them a try. So I'm really excited on getting started. I want to get this cleaned up so that I can start with a blank slate. Typically very nice during this time of year, so having this back porch picked up gets me motivated to getting the kids and the family together outside. Placing the old seeds that I had from last season. I'm going to put them in this box. Next week I'm going to be planting some of these seeds, so I just want it to be convenient where I can reach them easily. Just so you guys know, in the Dollar Tree they also have these package of seeds. They're for $1. I picked mine up last season in the Home Depot. I had no idea the Dollar Tree did sell them, but it's very, very good quality, same as Home Depot. It's just a lot cheaper, so definitely stop by and pick some up so you guys can get your garden started. You guys, I'm out here cleaning everything. I felt little footsteps on my back and I flung my hair around and I'm like, ah, screaming like a crazy lunatic, right? So I run to my husband, I'm like, I think there's something crawling on me. When I go to him, and he checks me, he's like, no, you don't have anything on you. So I'm like, okay, maybe I flung it off, you know. And I kept cleaning. And all of a sudden, I'm doing another step of the video, and I feel something crawling on my chest. And I'm like, no, I'm not going crazy. I feel something on me, definitely. So I open my shirt to look down, and so I see this little guy right here on my chest. And then I go to look for him again, and I'm screaming because I see this lizard inside my shirt, and he crawled into my bra and just stood there. So I'm like, this cannot be happening. So I grabbed him and I took him out. You guys, the struggle is real. When you're working outside in your patio, the things that happen, just crazy. So yeah, this is this little guy right here. I'm gonna let my goddaughter hold him because she wants to hold him.
Okay.
And she's actually holding the cat now, so. Don't let him crawl on me again.
Okay, just
be gentle.
Come here, kitty.
He just don't let the cat see him. All right, little guy, you gotta keep going. All right. Poor guy. I don't know who scared who more. If I scared him more or he scared me more. He's still debating that. All right, guys, let's get back to cleaning. They have fruit too.
What? Let me see.
You don't see?
What do they have?
This is called papaya.
Papaya.
Let's
get some papayas.
They're not ready yet.
Oh.
Look at the peach tree. This is gonna be peaches.
But where the peaches are